So you want free money? Let's talk SoFi. Hey everyone, have you ever felt like your bank account is a black hole? Money goes in, disappears mysteriously, and the interest rate makes you shed a single tear? Well, gather around financially frustrated friends, because today we're talking SoFi, an online bank that might just change your relationship with money. But before we dive in, let's be honest. There's a reason you clicked on this video. Maybe you heard whispers of high-yield checking accounts, or perhaps the idea of finally getting your paycheck a little early tickled your fancy. Whatever it is, you're here because you want more bang for your buck, and SoFi might just be the answer. Now, before we jump into creating your SoFi account, let's take a quick detour. What exactly is SoFi? It's not your typical bank with dusty carpets and grumpy tellers. SoFi is an online financial platform that offers a variety of services, from checking and savings accounts to investing and even student loan refinancing. Think of it as a one-stop shop for managing your money with a modern twist. Main content. Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's get you set up with that sweet SoFi account. The good news is, creating an account is a breeze. Head over to SoFi's website, and no, I won't rickroll you today. Just a quick Google search for SoFi and you'll be there. Once you're on the home page, look for the big, bold button that says Get Started or Open an Account. Can't miss it. Step-by-step guide. Now, here's where things get interesting. SoFi will ask you a few questions to get to know you better. Here's a breakdown of what to expect. The basics: name, address, birthday, the usual suspects. Account type: SoFi offers checking and savings accounts, both individually or jointly. Choose your fighter. Social Security number: this might seem scary, but SoFi is a legit financial institution with top-notch security. It's needed for verification. Employment status: just a quick heads up, SoFi might ask about your job and income. Don't worry, it's not a judgment zone. Funding your account: you can link an existing bank account or transfer some money to get things rolling. Security and verification. Now, let's talk about security. SoFi takes online safety seriously, and that might involve a two-factor authentication step. This usually involves a code sent to your phone for extra verification. It's a minor inconvenience, but trust me, it's worth the peace of mind. Benefits and perks. Alright, congratulations. You're officially a SoFi member. Now, let's explore the goodies that come with your shiny new account. High-yield checking. SoFi boasts one of the highest interest rates on checking accounts, meaning your money actually grows while it sits there. No more watching it gather dust. Fast and free transfers. Moving money between your SoFi accounts and other banks is a breeze, and the best part? It's free. No more hidden fees eating into your hard-earned cash. Early paycheck deposit. Say goodbye to the agonizing wait for payday. SoFi lets you access your paycheck up to 2 days early, depending on your employer. Cha-ching. SoFi isn't just about checking and savings. If you're feeling adventurous, you can explore other features like investing. SoFi offers a user-friendly platform to invest in stocks and ETFs, all within the same app. Student loan refinancing. If you're drowning in student loan debt, SoFi can help you consolidate and potentially lower your interest rate. So there you have it, folks. Creating a SoFi account is a simple process that unlocks a world of financial benefits. From high-yield checking to early paychecks, SoFi can help you manage your money smarter and make it work harder for you. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Do your own research before making any financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.